Hi, now we will see how we will create a new service, modify and make it not active services which actually will be used in your saloon. There are two ways you can access that. You can click the services here or you can go to Saloon Master to find the service here. So let's select the service. Here are the information like you will be having for the service. First you will give a description for the service, for example haircut. You can give a foreign name or in Arabic, then you can give the price of that, how much does it cost. I'll put as 250. We can see what type of category is there. Since this is haircut, we will select as hair. If you want to add more, similarly you can click the plus button and you can add more categories over here. Now you will apply the tax for this one. For that, click apply tax, the sales, VAT 15%, and you need to specify how much time this service is available, meaning how much time it will take. For example, if I say 15 minutes, so it will take 15 minutes of the time in the appointment book. It will be blocked for this particular service. All you need to do is save this one and yes, the service will be created instantaneously. I will create one more service. I will say blow dry, price is 100. I will say this is also for hair. Apply tax 15%, maybe this will take 10 minutes, and save. Similarly, modifying, it is the same. Click here to find out all the services. You can search by anything. Suppose if I say hair, so all the hair it will come, it will taking from the category. If I say cut, meaning haircut, you can see like what are all the 10 minutes it is there you can do. So you can use this filter for anything. So if I select this, you can actually say as ATV and you can save. So this is how you create, modify, and similarly select any service and press not active, so that won't be available for the users from the moment you save that one. Okay. Thank you.